In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn about the area of a circle. So if we start off with our circle, we have the center O and we have the radius. So we're looking to find the area of the circle. So we need to use our given formula. So we'll find this in our formula book. So the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So like with the circumference, with any problems using pi, we will usually be given the approximate value to use. So pi is either going to be 22/7 or 3.142, or sometimes just 3.14. So let's look at a few problems. We need to find the areas of the following circles. Okay, so circle 1. The first thing we always have to do really is write out our formula. So the area for a circle, pi r squared. Okay, so we're looking for our area. We're going to use 3.142 for pi, and our radius for our first circle is 10. So it's 10 squared. So it's going to be 3.142 by 100, which is going to give us 314.2, and because it's area, it's going to be centimeters squared. Okay, so let's practice this again. Circle 2, area, pi r squared. So I think it's really important that we write out the formula that we're using every time. Okay, and now we're filling in. So again, we have 3.142 for pi, and for our radius, we're given 3.5 squared. So we have 3.142 multiplied by 12.25. 38.4895. And again, centimeters squared. And then for circle 3, again, we're just finding our area. So this time it's 47 squared. So that's 2209. So we get 6940.678 centimeters squared. Okay, so we should be careful with rounding. Usually if we had questions like these, they might ask us to round to the nearest whole number or to a certain decimal place. But if they don't, then we don't round it. So we leave the answer just as it is. Okay, so again, similar to finding the circumference of a circle, we can also be asked to find the radius when given information about the area. So just to briefly discuss this for a second, if we take our formula, area is equal to pi r squared. So pi is just a number, 3.142. So the other two values, really, the area and the radius, we can be asked to find both of those. So we use the same formula to find those two different things. Okay, so let's read the question. Given that the area of a circle is 65 centimeters squared, find the radius using 3.14 as an approximation for pi. Okay, so again, the first thing we're always going to do is to write down our formula. So area is equal to pi r squared. The next thing we're going to do is fill in the information we're given. So we have the area at 65. Pi, we're told, is 3.14. And we're looking for our radius squared. Okay, so from here, we solve the equation. So we have 65 divided by 3.14 is equal to r squared. So we find this to be 20.7 is equal to r squared. So r is going to be equal to the square root of 20.7. So we find our radius to be 4.5497 centimeters. So to recap on our steps, number 1 is our formula. Number 2 is fill in information that we're given. And number 3 is solve. For more information, you can visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on